Inspection and testing stages constitute the essential quality control processes in glass bottle manufacturing, designed to ensure adherence to stringent standards. These critical quality control stages ensure compliance through machine and manual inspections for surface defects, for example, cracks, bubbles, dimensional accuracy, neck diameter, wall thickness, and weight consistency. Performance testing evaluates pressure resistance, sealing integrity, thermal shock tolerance, and impact durability, supported by automated technologies and aligned with standards like ISO 9001. These processes efficiently eliminate defects post-annealing, ensuring defect-free and performance-compliant products.